This is Rupesh Kumar from Government Polytechnic Narayankhed, lecturer in ECE, dealing the subject in EEE 4th semester Digital Electronics 18EE 405C. Topic Basics of Digital Electronics. Subtopic Universal Gates, XOR Gate, Teaching Gates, PowerPoint and Animation. Okay, this is my introduction. Today's class is on, that is, objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to understand what is meant by universal gates, a logic circuit, symbol, truth table of universal gates and XOR gate, realization of basic operations using universal gates. These are the topics which we learn today. That is, what is meant by universal gates, logic circuit of universal gates, symbol of universal gates, next truth table of universal gates and XOR gate, realization of basic operations using universal gates, realization of basic operations using universal gates. Okay, these are the topics which we learn today in this class. We have discussed about basic gates and or not. Already we have discussed about basic gates and or not. Universal gates, that is NAND and NOR, can be used to develop any one of the basic gates or and not gates. Realize any expression with NOR gates only and NAND gates only. Here universal gates are of two types. Universal gates are of two types. They are NAND and NOR gates. They can be used to develop any one of the basic gates, that is AND or NOT gates. Realize any expression with NOR gates only and NAND gates only. Okay, this is the concept of universal gates. Once again I am repeating, universal gates are two types. They are NAND gates and NOR gates. It can be used to develop any one of the basic gates, that is OR, AND and NOT gates. Realize any expression with NOR gates only and NAND gates only. NOR gates only and NAND gates only. First of all, we are learning NAND gate. That is, it has two or more inputs and only one output. It has two or more inputs and only one output. NAND gate is the combination of two gates. That is NOT and AND gate. That is, NAND gate is equal to NOT gate plus AND gate. AND gate is followed by an NOT gate, that is an inverter. Combination of AND gate and NOT gate is nothing but the NAND gate. See here in the figure, it is clearly depicted. For AND gate, we are connecting a NOT gate. Then we get the output for NAND gate. Inputs for AND gate is AB. Output is A into B. A into B as a single input is given to NOT gate. We get the output that AB bar. Output Y equal to AB bar. Okay. NAND gate has two or more inputs and only one output. Not AND gate. That is combination of two gates. NAND means combination of two gates. That is AND and NOT gate. NAND gate equal to NOT gate plus AND gate. AND gate is followed by the inverter, that is NOT gate. Here I have given you a symbol which represents the NAND gate operation, that is AND gate plus NOT gate. AND gate has inputs AB. Output for AND gate is Y equal to AB. A into B. A into B input is given to the NOT gate. That is output will be emitted from NOT gate is Y equal to A into B bar. Next, NAND gate. Statement for NAND gate is, if the output is high, if any one of the input is low. The output is high when any one of the input is low. The output is low when all the inputs are high. The output is high if any one of the input is low. The output is low when all the inputs are high. The output is high if any one of the input is low. The output is low when all the inputs are high. The output is high if any one of the input is low. The output is low when all the inputs are high. Once again repeating. The output is high if any one of the input is low. The output is low when all the inputs are high. The output is low when all the inputs are high. Here I have drawn the diagrammatic symbol for NAND gate. Please make it draw in your notebook. Okay? Draw in your notebook. Here inputs for NAND gate is AB and output for NAND gate is Y equal to AB bar. Here I have given the IEEE symbol also. Okay. Please make a note of it clearly. Okay. Now the small circle, that is bubble, represents the invert function. The small circle, that is bubble, represents the invert function. Truth table for NAND gate is also given here. Here input variables are 2, that is AB. So that inputs for NAND gate is 4. Here we are using 2 input variables, that is AB. So the code for these 2 input variable is 2, 1. So the inputs are 2 power 3, that 2 power 2, that is 4. Input for NAND gate is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means 0, 0. 1 means 0, 1. 2 means 1, 0. 3 means 1, 1. Okay. Now AB. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Now AB bar, that is the NAND gate output, Y equal to AB bar. That is 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0. Output for NAND gate is 1, 1, 1, 0. That is, if output is high only when one of the input is low. Output is low when both the inputs are high. Okay. Now draw the symbol, IEEE symbol and truth table for the NAND gate in your notebook. Afterwards you send it in your WhatsApp to me. Okay, once again I am repeating symbol for NAND gate. Here in this symbol we have, it is like that of a AND gate, but at the tip of the AND gate here a small circle is placed. That circle represents the invert function. Circuit represents the invert function. AB is the input for NAND gate and output is Y equal to AB bar. Here IEEE symbol is also there. See, it is shown in the side of the symbol of NAND gate. The small circle, that is bubble, represents the invert function. The truth table of NAND gate is, that is AB are the 2 input variables and the inputs for the NAND gate is 4, that is 2 power 2 equal to 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 are the inputs. The binary code for 0, 1, 2, 3 is 0, 0 for 0, for 1, 0, 1, for 2, 1, 0, for 3, 1, 1. For AND gate, that is A into B, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 equal 0, 1 into 0 equal 0, 1 equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. For AB bar, it is the complement of before column, that is 0 means 1, 0 is 1, 0 is 1, 1 is 0. So here from this truth table we can judge the definition for NAND gate, that is when one of the inputs are low, output is high. When both the inputs are high, output is low. Okay, it is the NAND gate representation. Please make a note in your notebook. Most important one, it can be come in your examination for 1 mark also or 3 marks also. Okay, please write it on your notebook. Next one, here basic gates using NAND gates. Here I have given the different representation. Please make a note of it. NOT gate. Here we are realizing the basic gates using NAND gate. Most important question. It is a 5 marks question. Please have a glance of it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now only. That is NOT gate. See here, NOT gate has only one input. So here we are taking only single input for an AND gate, that is A is the input and other input is directly connected to the A. It means ensemble. If we connect directly the single input to the again to the gate, that is nothing but ensemble. Now we get the output that Y equal to A bar. Here we generate the NOT gate using NAND gates only. Now we are generating AND gate. Here input is AB to the NAND gate. Now again this output AB bar is given to the another NAND gate as like that of the NOT gate. Then we get the output, that is Y equal to AB bar bar, that equal to AB. Here we have got the output for AND gate, that is Y equal to AB. Okay. Now here we are taking two NAND gates for getting the output of AND gate. Here inputs are AB, it is given to the NAND gate. We get the output that for first NAND gate is AB bar. That AB bar output is given to second NAND gate. Then we get the output that Y equal to AB bar bar, that equal to AB. This output is obtained with the help of the Morgan laws, that is Boolean laws. Next, OR gate. Here we are realizing the OR gate. Here we want to take, for the realization of OR gate, we want to take 3 NAND gates. We are taking for each of the first 2 NAND gates only one single input, that is A, and for second NAND gate is B. First NAND gate is given input A, we get the output A bar. For second NAND gate we are giving the input B, we get the B bar. Okay. First input of the NAND gate A bar is given, output of NAND gate A bar A is given to the third NAND gate, and second output of NAND gate B bar is given to the third NAND gate input. We get the output that A bar into B bar whole bar equal to A bar bar plus B bar bar, that equal to A plus B equal to Y. Here OR gate realization using NAND gates only, that is we are taking here 3 NAND gates. We are inserting for first 2 NAND gates only one single input, that is for first AND gate NAND gate we are giving A input, and for second NAND gate we are giving B input. For giving the A input to the first NAND gate, we get the output A bar. For giving the input B for second NAND gate, we get the output B bar. These two outputs are given to the third NAND gate. We get the output that Y equal to A bar into B bar whole bar equal to A bar bar plus B bar bar, that equal to A plus B. that equal to y. Output is OR gate. By using the NAND gate, we can generate basic gates like NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Once again, have a glance of it. Please make a draw of it also. Most important question, 5 marks question it is. Important one. For NAND NOT gate, here we are taking only one single input. A is the input, we get the output y equal to A bar. For AND gate, we are taking two NAND gates, that is AB is the input. For that first NAND gate, we are getting the output that AB bar. Here the AB bar, and that AB bar input is given to the other NAND gate. We get the output that y equal to AB bar, bar equal to AB. AB bar equal to AB. AB bar equal to AB. We get the output of AND gate. Okay. Next one, OR gate. For getting the output of OR gate, we are taking 3 single input, 2 single input and 1 double input NAND gates for getting the output OR gate. AC. That is we are giving single input to the first NAND gate, that is A. We get the output that A bar, and for second NAND gate we are giving B input, we get the output that B bar. That A bar, B bar outputs are given to the third input of third NAND gate. We get the output that y equal to A bar into B bar whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar, that equal to A plus B, that equal to y. It is nothing but the OR gate. By using this NAND gate, we can generate the basic gates, that is NOT gate. Next, AND gate and OR gate. Okay, most important question. Please draw the diagrams in your notebook. Next, NOR gate. It has 2 or more inputs and only one output. 2 or more inputs and only one output. Here NOR gate is a combination of NOT and OR gate. That is NOR gate equal to NOT plus OR gate. NOT gate plus OR gate. OR gate is followed by an inverter. Okay. NOR gate means it has 2 or more inputs and only one output. NOR gate is a combination of NOT plus OR gate. OR gate is followed by an inverter. Here I have given the simple arrangement of NOR gate, that is OR gate plus NOT gate. That is, here input for OR gate is AB. We get the output that y equal to A plus B. That A plus B input is again given to the NOT gate. Then we get the output that y equal to A plus B bar. Okay, it is the NOR gate. It has 2 or more inputs and only one output. It has 2 or more inputs and only one output. NOR gate is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. NOR gate equal to NOT gate plus OR gate. NOT gate plus OR gate. NOR gate plus OR gate. OR gate is followed by an inverter. Here AB is the input for OR gate. We get the output for OR gate is A plus B. And A plus B is given as input to the NOR gate. We get the output Y equal to A plus B bar. Please make a note of it. That NOR gate is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. That is NOR gate equal to NOT gate plus OR gate. OR gate is followed by an inverter. A symbolic representation of NOR gate with the help of NOT gate and OR gate is also given. It is also most important. Please note down in your notebook. NOR gate. The output is low if any one of the input is high. Output is high only when all the inputs are low. The output is low if any one of the input is high. Output is high only when all the inputs are low. Okay, it is the definition of NOR gate. Please note down in your notebook. That is, output is low if any one of the input is high. Output is high only when all the inputs are low. Next, here I have given the symbolic representation and the IEEE symbol for the NOR gate. Please make a note of it. That is, symbol of NOR gate is, here for OR gate we are adding a small bubble at the tip of the OR gate. We get the symbol of NOR gate. A, B are the inputs. We get the output Y equal to A plus B whole bar. Y equal to A plus B whole bar. IEEE symbol was also given. Please make a note of it. The small circle bubble represents the invert operation. Small circle bubble represents the invert operation. Small circle bubble represents the invert operation. Here I have given the truth table for NOR gate. That is, AB are the inputs. AB are the input variables. Inputs are 2 power 2, that is 4 inputs, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and it is using the code 2, 1. So the representations of 0, 1, 2, 3 in binary code is, for 0 it is 0, 0, for 1, 0, 1, for 2, 1, 0, for 3, 1, 1. Okay. For OR gate, that is A plus B, we get the output that 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. For NOR output, that is A plus B whole bar, we get the output that for 0 it is 1, 1 it is 0, 1 it is 0, 1 it is 0. That is, here we have learned the symbolic representation of NOR gate. Next, IEEE symbol. Next, small circle bubble represents the invert function, and truth table for NOR gate. Okay, once again, please have a glance of it and note down in your notebook also. Most important one, it can be given in 1 mark question. Or if you have any good fit, it can be given in 3 marks also. Okay. All of you written in your notebook. Once again I am repeating the truth table for NOR gate. That is, AB are the inputs. That is, input variables. We get the inputs are 2 power 2, that is 4 input, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For OR gate, A plus B equal to 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. For A plus B bar, 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. Okay. Now, basic gates using NOR gates only. There is a spelling mistake, that is NAND. No, it is NOR gates only. Please make a change in it. NOT gate combination is, here we are giving only one single input to the NOR gate. We get the output Y equal to A bar. For OR gate, we are taking two NOR gates, we get the output for NOR gate, that is A into B. Here A, B are inputs, we get the output, that is Y equal to A plus B bar. That again, that output is again given to the NOR gate, we get the output A plus B whole bar bar equal to A bar bar A bar bar equal to A plus B whole bar bar equal to A plus B. Okay, for OR gate realization we are taking two NOR gates. For that, first NOR gate is given two inputs A, B, we get the output A plus B bar. That A plus B bar input is given to the A plus B bar input is given to the output is given to the input of second NOR gate, we get the output that A plus B bar whole bar equal to A plus B. Okay, it is the realization of NOR gate, OR gate using NOR gate. Last one is AND gate. AND gate, for realization of AND gate we are taking here three NOR gates. For three NOR gates, first two NOR gates are having only single input, and for third NOR gate we are taking two inputs. That is, first NOR gate is having A input, we get the output that Y equal to A bar. For second NOR gate we are giving input B, we get the output Y equal to B bar. For third NOR gate we are giving first NOR gate output and second NOR gate output. A bar is the input for third NAND gate and B bar is also the input for third NAND gate, NOR gate. Now the output for third NOR gate is Y equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar equal to A bar bar into B bar bar, that equal to A into B. That equal to A into B. Next, XOR gate. Here XOR gate function is an important Boolean function used extensively in logic circuits. Exclusive OR gate, that is XOR function, is an important Boolean function used extensively in logic circuits. Symbol AB is A XOR B is also given. Please make a note of it. And IEEE symbol for XOR gate is also given here. Please make a note of it. It is a one important question. It can be asked in your examination for 1 mark. Here XOR function means A or B but not both. A or B but not both. A or B but not both. Exclusive OR function is an important Boolean function used extensively in logic circuits. Symbol is AB is the input for XOR gate. We get the output A XOR B, that equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B. IEEE symbol for XOR gate is also shown below. The XOR function means A or B but not both. A or B but not both. Next, XOR gate definition. For a 2-input XOR gate, the output is high when the inputs are different. For a 2-input XOR gate, the output is high when the inputs are different. For a 2-input XOR gate, the output is high when the inputs are different. Truth table. Here we have taken for XOR gate only 2 inputs variable, that is we are having 4 inputs here. 2 power 2 equal to 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 are the inputs in decimal form. We are taking in binary form. For 0 it is 0, 0. For 1, 0, 1. For 2, 1, 0. For 3, 1, 1. Okay, A XOR B, that is 0, 0 means 0. Fundamental product is AB. 0, 1 is 1. Fundamental product is AB bar. Fundamental product is 1, 0. It is 1. It is A bar B. Input is 1, 1. It is 0. It is A bar B bar. A truth table for XOR gate is also given. 0, 0 means input 0, 0, that is output is 0. Fundamental product for input 0, 0 is AB. For 0, 1, output is 1. Fundamental product is A B bar. For input 1 0, we get the output 1. Fundamental product is A bar B. For input 1 1, we get the output 0. Fundamental product is A bar B bar. Boolean equation for XOR gate is Y equal to A XOR B equal to A B bar plus A bar B. A B bar plus A bar B. For a 2-input XOR gate, output is high when the inputs are different. Truth table A, B, A XOR B, fundamental product. Here input variables are 2. We get the inputs are 4. 2 power 2 equal to 4. Input variables 2 no. So 2 power 2 equal to 4. Decimal inputs are 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to convert into the binary with the help of code, that is 2, 1. That is 0, 0 for 0, 0, 1 for 1, 0, 1, 0 for 2, 1, 1 for 3. Input 0, 0 is, output is 0. For 0, 1 it is 1. For 1, 0 it is 1. 1, 1 is 0. For first input 0, 0, we get the fundamental product is AB. For second input 0, 1, fundamental product is AB bar. For third input 1, 0, fundamental product is A bar B. For fourth input 1, 1, fundamental product is A bar B bar. Boolean equation Y equal to A XOR B, that equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B. Logic circuit of XOR gate using basic gates is given here. Here we are giving the inputs for 2 inputs for NAND gate as well as NOT gates and OR gate. We are taking 2 AND gates, 1 OR gate and 2 NOT gates. Here upper AND gate forms the product A bar B, and lower AND gate forms the product AB bar. Output Y is given to the output of AND gates is given to the OR gate. We get the value A bar B plus A B bar, that equal to A XOR B. Here we are taking 2 NOT gates, 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate. Upper AND gate forms the product A bar B, and lower AND gate for product forms the product AB bar, and output Y equal to, with the help of the OR gate, we get the formula that Y equal to A bar B plus AB bar, that equal to A XOR B. Next, XOR operation using basic gates, that is case 1. Here A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. Both AND gate have low outputs, that is Y is low. Here A equal to 0 is inserted into the AND gate, that is for first input of AND gate we are giving 0 means it is equal to 1, and for B it is 0 means it is equal to 0. That is AND gate has, first AND gate has 0 input and second AND has 0 output. The 2 outputs is directly given to the OR gate. We get the 0 plus 0, 0. Case 2, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. Here I have given the diagram also. For A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, we get the inputs 1 1 for first AND gate and 0 0 for second AND gate. We get the output for 1 1 for first AND gate, it is 1. For 0 0 for second AND gate is 0. We get the outputs for AND gate is first 1 and second 0. These two outputs are given to OR gate. We get the output that 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Upper AND gate has high output, and high output is getting out from the OR gate. Next, XOR operation using basic gates. Case 3, A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Here we have given A equal to 1 and B equal to 0 for the AND gates. The inputs for AND gate is 0 0 and first AND gate is 0 0 and second AND gate is 1 1. For first AND gate output is 0, for second AND gate output is 1. These two outputs are given to OR gate. We get the output that 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Output of lower AND gate is high, so output is high. Output of lower AND gate is high, so output is high. Next, case 4, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Here A equal to 1 and B equal to 1 is given to the input positions of the AND gates. We get the inputs that 0 1 and for first AND gate and 1 0 for second AND gate. So we get the output for first AND gate is 0 and second AND gate is 0. So output for OR gate is 0 plus 0 equal 0. upper AND gate output is also low and lower AND gate output is also low. So OR gate output is also low. So fourth operation output is low, 0. Here I have given the 3 input XOR gate symbol. For 3 input XOR gate, we get the output Y equal to A XOR B XOR C. When the odd number of inputs is high, output is high. When odd number of inputs is high, output is high. Here we have 3 input variables, that is inputs for XOR gate is 2 power 3 equal to 8, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please make a note of it, most important question. Inputs are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7. Okay, these are the decimal input. We have to convert into the binary form using the code 421 code. That is for 0 it is 0, 0, 0, for 1 0, 0, 1, for 2 0, 1, 0, for 3 0, 1, 1, for 4 1, 0, 0, for 5 1, 0, 1, 6 1, 1, 0, 7 1, 1, 1. Okay, and repeating, for 0 it is 0, 0, 0, for 1 0, 0, 1, for 2 0, 1, 0, for 3 0, 1, 1, for 4 1, 0, 0, for 5 1, 0, 1, for 6 1, 1, 0, for 7 1, 1, 1. Now the output for 0 is Y equal to 0, for 1 is 1, for 2 is 1, for 3 is 0, for 4 is 1, for 5 is 0, for 6 is 0, for 7 is 1. Okay, here it is a combination of XOR gate and XNOR gate. See, first 4 bits represents the XOR gate and last 4 bits represents the XNOR gate. Here 3 input XOR gate is a combination of XOR and XNOR gate. Okay, Y equal to A XOR B, XOR C. Next, applications of XOR gate: adders, subtractor, multipliers, counters, incrementers, decrementers, parity generators, checkers. Okay, the decrementers is spelling mistake is there. Please make a note of it. DECREMENTERS. Okay, applications of exclusive OR gate is adders, subtractors, multipliers. Next, counters, incrementers, decrementers, parity generators, checkers. Summary. So far we discussed about the universal gates, XOR gate, implementing AND or NOT gates using AND gates, NAND gates only, implementing AND or NOT gates using NOR gates only. Next, applications of exclusive OR gate and 3 input XOR gate. Here we have given the frequently asked question, that is, what are universal gates? Why are they called to? Implement basic gates using NAND gates only. Implement basic gates using NOR gates only. Next, explain the operation of NAND gates and NOR gates. Most important questions are implement basic gates using NAND gates and NOR gates only. 5 marks questions, and 3 marks questions are what are universal gates? Why are they so called so? And explain the operation of NAND gates and NOR gates. 3 marks question. 2, 3 are 5 marks question and 1, 4 is 3 marks question. Next, quiz. First one, 3 input NAND gate is to be used as an inverter. Which of the following will give better results? Next, minimum number of 2 input NAND gates required to implement Boolean fraction is AB plus C bar. 2 input NAND gates required to implement. It is A2, B3, C5, D6, that is A2. IEEE symbol are same as traditional symbols for gates. Different symbols are used for different gates. Here A, both the statements are correct. B, both the statements are wrong. C, 1 is true, 2 is false. And D, 1 is false, 2 is true. That is A, both statements are correct. Next 3. Say yes or no. Or AND gates have only two inputs? No. If the inputs to a two input XOR gates are high, output is high. Or AND gates have only two inputs? No. If the inputs are to a two input XOR gate is high, output is high. No. Next, the output of NOR gate is equal to the complement of OR gate of its inputs. XOR gate is an universal gates. Output of NOR gate is equal to the complement of OR gate of its input. Here A, both the statements are correct. B, both the statements are wrong. C, 1 is true, 2 is false. Next, 1 is false, 2 is true. Answer is A, both the statements, or B, both the statements are wrong. Next assignment, draw the logic circuit symbol and truth table for XNOR gate. Okay, assignment it is. In this, most important one is realization of AND gate, NOR gate, OR gate using NAND gates and NOR gates only. Next, symbolic representations of NAND gate and NOR gate is most important. Next, symbols for NAND gate, NOR gate and truth table for NAND gate, NOR gate and IEEE symbol for NAND gate, NOR gate is also most important one. Okay, I will tell you once again, repeat the NAND gate, NOR gate, truth table and definition of these two and realization. Now it has two or more inputs and only one output. NAND gate is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. That is NAND gate equal to NOT gate plus AND gate. AND gate is followed by an inverter. AB is the input for AND gate. We get the output that AB, and it is the input for NOT gate. We get the output Y equal to AB bar. Next, definition of NAND gate is if the output is high, any one of the input is low. If the output is low, when all the inputs are high. Output is high if any one of the input is low. Output is low when all the inputs are high. Next, symbolic representation of NAND gate and IEEE symbol of NAND gate is also given here. Please make a note in your textbook if anybody not drawn before. Please, it is important one. It is given in your examination 2 to 3 times. The small circle represents the invert function. Truth table. Okay. Small circle bubble represents the invert function. Truth table it is AB is the input variable. We get the inputs are 2 power 2, that is 4 inputs. 0 0 0 for 1 1 0 1 for 2 1 0 for 3 1 1. Output for NAND gate, that is AB bar, is 0 0 means 1, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1 and 1 1 is 1. That is when both the inputs are low, high, we get the output low. When both the inputs are low or any one of the input is low, we get the output high. Next, realization of NAND gates. For NOT gate, we are taking only one single input. For NAND gate, we are getting the output that Y equal to A bar. For AND gate, we are using two NAND gates. First NAND gate is having two inputs and second NAND gate having only one input. AB is the input, we get the output that AB bar. That output AB bar is given to second NAND gate, we get the output Y equal to AB bar bar equal to AB. We get the output of NAND gate. Now OR gate. Here A is the 3 NAND gates are taken. First two NAND gate having only one single input and third NAND gate having two inputs. Here A is the first input for the first NAND gate and B is the input for the second NAND gate. First NAND gate output is A bar, second NAND gate output is B bar. Here two inputs for the third NAND gate is A bar and B bar. The output is Y equal to A bar into B bar whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar, that equal to Y equal to A plus B. It is the output of OR gate. In OR gate, it has two or more inputs and only one single output. That is combination of NOR gate is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. That is NOR gate equal to NOT gate plus OR gate. OR gate is followed by an inverter. Here OR gate symbol and NOT gate symbol is given. If we both mix together, we get the output of NOR gate. That is AB is the input for OR gate. We get the output that A plus B given to input of NOT gate. We get the output that is Y equal to A plus B bar. Here NOR gate definition is the output is low if any one of the input is high. Output is high only when all the inputs are low. The output is high only when all the inputs are low. A symbol and IEEE symbol as well as truth table also given. AB has the two inputs for NOR gate. We get the output Y equal to A plus B bar. The small circle represents the inversion function. Truth table AB. Truth table has inputs AB and output is A plus B bar. That is, here input variables are 2, output inputs are 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 0, 0, 0 for 1, 0, 1 for 2, 1, 0 for 3, 1, 1. 0, 0 means it is output 1. 0, 1 means 0 for 1, 0 is 0 for 1, 1 is 0. See here, when both the inputs are low, output is high. When any one of the input is low or both the inputs are high, we get the output low. Next, basic gates using NAND gates. Here I have given a input, first input to the NOR gate, we get the output Y equal to A bar. For OR gate realization, we are taking only two NOR gates. First NOR gate is having two inputs and second NOR gate is having single input. AB is input for NOR gate. We get the output A plus B bar. That A plus B bar is again given to second NOR gate. We get the output A plus B whole bar equal to A plus B. We get the output of OR gate. Next, AND gate. For getting the AND gate, we are taking 3 input. For 3 NAND gates, we get the output AND gate. For first 2 NAND gates, NOR gates, we are taking single inputs, and for third NOR gate, we are taking 2 inputs. For first input NOR gate, we are giving A, we get the output A bar. For second input NOR gate, we are giving B, we are getting the output B bar. These two outputs are given to the third NOR gate, we getting A bar plus B bar whole bar equal to A bar into B bar, that equal to A into B. That is the output of AND gate. By using these 3 diagrams, we are getting the realization of basic gates using NOR gates. Exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate function is a function used in extensively logic circuit. AB is the input for XOR gate. We are getting the output Y equal to A XOR B. That is, XOR function means A or B but not both. XOR gate. For a 2 input XOR gate, the output is high when inputs are different. That is, truth table also given here. Input variables are 2, inputs are 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0, 0, 0, output is 0. For 1, 0, 1, output is 1. For input 1, 0, we get the output 1. For input 1, 1, we get the output 0. That is why AX or B equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B. Next, applications of XOR gate. That is adders, subtractors, multipliers, counters, incrementers, decrementers, parity generators, checkers. Please change the disremembers. Decrementer, DECREMENTERS. It is also important to 3 marks question. That is adders, subtractors, multipliers, counters, incrementers, decrementers, parity generators, checkers. Okay. Next, it is the frequently asked question. Please make a note of it and write it as assignment also. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me also. Please make a note of it. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. If you not ask me, you will not get the doubt. Okay. Thank you for hearing my class.